If you don't have notes on your Instagram account, I'm gonna be showing you guys three methods that worked for me, and I tried this on multiple accounts and it worked. So all you have to do, guys, is follow the steps in this video and you will be able to add notes to your Instagram if it's missing. If you don't see notes, follow the steps in this video. I'm going to be able to fix this problem. So all you have to do, guys, is open your Instagram. As you can see here, guys, I can see here notes. When I click in the inbox, I can see notes in the top left. As you can see here, I can add anything and share it, and I click share. Now, if you don't see that feature, I'm going to be showing you guys three methods which will work for you, and you will be able to add notes to your Instagram. Now, you want to go to your App Store, okay, or Play Store, and you want to update the app to the latest version. This is the first method, guys. You want to just update Instagram to the latest version. Now it says open because I already updated the app, okay? You want to click update and you wait for it a few seconds and it will be updated. Now you want to close your app and wait like 30 seconds and check if the not option is still missing on your Instagram. If that's the case, if not option is still missing, you want to go to settings. If you are using Android, the same process, just follow the steps. If you are using iPhone, you want to go to general, okay, and then click on you want to click on language and region, and after that in the top you want to click on iPhone language and change your language to UK. Instead of USA English, you want to change it to UK English, and then click UK. And I can't do that now because the screen recording is recording the video. So just click UK and wait a few seconds and then check if that feature has been added to your Instagram account or not. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to click on if this doesn't fix the problem, you want to open your Instagram, and at the very bottom right, click your profile and then click three little lines in the top right. After that, you want to click on settings. After that, you want to click on help. At the bottom, it says here help. Now you want to click on report a problem in the top. After that, you want to click report a problem without shaking, as you can see here. And then click include and then click don't include and continue at the bottom. Now you have to say this to Instagram and you will get back to you within 24 hours and you will be able to add notes to your Instagram. Now after you have to enter here, hi Instagram notes option not showing on my Instagram. As you can see here, guys, hi Instagram notes option not showing on my Instagram, and then click send, and now wait 24 hours. But you can do other thing if you want, probably it will work, is to make close friends, because notes are not for everyone. Just close friends, make a list of closed friends on your Instagram. It's very easy and simple. So hopefully, guys, this video helped. If it does, please drop a like, subscribe. Please come back to this video within 24 hours and let us know if this works or not. So see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments, like I reply to every single comment.